Hi guys, so for today's vlog, I'm going to go to Lucky Chinatown Mall in Binondo, and I'm really nervous because I'm going to hold a makeup class for 100 people. So this is the first time I'm gonna do a class for a crowd this big, and I'm really excited and nervous at the same time. And what's even more nerve-wracking for me is that this is for Mega World Real Estate Agent. So it's really a big deal for me, and I'm so excited and honored to have this opportunity. So I'm going to memorialize this event through this vlog. So yun, I'm so excited. I'm gonna do my makeup, and my cat is supporting me. As you can see her tail. Dami, huwag ka magulo. Excuse me. For sure maraming lights dun, kaya gagamit tayo ng anti-shine na primer. And na-late pa yung hairstylist ko, napakagaling.
Wedding platforms, including a feature in Bright.
Pwede na siguro sila para may kasama naman ako dito, di ba? Parang napipilitan si Sis. Parang magmi-mix sa foundation mo kasi ang tagal niyang ma-absorb ng skin or magko-costume, di ba? Okay. So, na-experience niya na. First time mo, sir, natin. Hindi naman. Yeah. Basta, sige, ako muna, tas ikaw. So, okay lang naman na, oo, yan, ganyan, upwards. Yan. Okay. And then, next is sunscreen. So, basically, everyone knows what a sunscreen is, right? Match. First, you will pick the correct undertone for your skin. So, we are Asians. So, mostly, doon tayo sa yellow. Masyado ka na bang na-push sa limit mo, sir? Ayan. So, nakita nyo, may color siya, pero close lang to her natural. So, if hindi ka plano, ay hindi ka
Following seminar entitled Group for Success, All Gender Makeup Fundamentals for Real Estate Professionals, given on the 9th day of September.
Ganda na hair ko, Tony. Gumanda na siya. Maganda naman kanina.
We're done! Natapos na.